UK. Everybody gonna say UK reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style once said, tell me cool down, cool down.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aria. If you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this blonde unit, and I'm just going to be giving you guys a little life update since I haven't posted in a while. So I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for the next one. Okay, so I'm starting off with my Gold Spawn glue, and previously I had already put on my wig cap with the foundation to match my skin. So I'm just applying it in small dots all around the perimeter, and I'm spreading it out into thin layers. Other than that, you guys, my life has been pretty good. I turned 18 in September, so now I'm just applying to schools. Hopefully I go to HBCU. If not, I plan on just staying in Boston to go to school. But I'm just really excited to just start college. And also for college, I intend on majoring in sociology as well as political science. So I hope to be getting into my little lawyer bag in the future. Next up, you guys, I'm just going to be applying the wig. As always, I'm going to apply the middle first and then the sides to make sure that it's enough lace on both sides. And then afterwards, I'm just going to put on my band, and then I'm just going to start detangling because this is a synthetic wig, so I want to make sure that it's tangled free. And you guys know how I love my side parts, so for this install, I'm going to be doing a side part. But right before I do my side part, I'm just going to be sure to hot comb all the hair back to make sure that there's no flyaways or any hair sticking up. So I'm just going to go in with my edge booster wax stick, and I'm going to hot comb. And because it's a synthetic wig, I'm making sure that the hot comb is relatively low so it's not burning my hair. And then this is the parting once I've finished, and again I'm just making sure to detangle it in between steps. Afterwards, y'all, I'm gonna start flat ironing the wig starting from the back, and I'm gonna be using the track method where I use a comb and a flat iron to make sure that it's the straightest possible. And also, y'all, I'm making sure that I'm doing small enough sections so that the hair is smooth and silky. Generally, I'm happy to be on YouTube again. I had to take a break because I was just going through a terrible burnout. Like, I had no ideas what videos to record or anything. But I'm happy to be back doing what I love. And also, you guys, since I took a break from YouTube, my channel has grown a lot. So thank you guys for all the support. Even though I haven't really been here and been active, thank you guys so much. Then you guys, this is what it looks like when half of it is straightened. It's very silky. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other half off camera, and I'll be back when it's complete. And then this is what it looks like after I straighten both sides. I'm loving how straight it is. Next, I'm just going to take some of my spritz and I'm going to apply it to the lace for the second melt. And for those of you guys who don't know what the second melt is, it's when you apply an additional adhesive spray and then you melt your lace for the second time, so it's absolutely like transparent. Afterwards, I'm going to be doing my edges. I'm just going to take out some side edges and then I'm going to cut them and curl them. And I'm curling them so that it's easier to lay and that they all lay in one direction afterwards. Then I'm going to be taking a little bit of my edge booster, and I'm just going to be swooping those edges, and as you can see, the curling made it easy and simple to lay. Lastly, you guys, I'm just going in just to flatten out my hair so that it's completely slick. As for my YouTube channel, you guys, I think I'm going to start uploading every Sunday or every other Sunday, so I'm really excited to be consistent with my YouTube channel again. And also for me, I felt like it was very important to be consistent, as like my life is literally about to change in the next couple of months, so what better way to be consistent than with YouTube. This is the final result, you guys. I love the way this install turned out. It was a cute little icy look for the winter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.